Rigor here from Rigor's Garage and Boat Basement. Uh, Today we're working on problems with the house, specifically plumbing. If you thought boats were expensive, wait till you get the plumbing. I'll tell you my story. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. So here's my story. We've had problems with the sewer. It seems like every time we leave for a week or two, we come back, and a week after we return, the sewer clogs up. And you gotta have somebody come out here and rod the sewer. And the last time, even rodding wouldn't clean out the plug. They had to do a jet rodder, which is like a power washer. It's a hose with a nozzle on it, and they go to the outside cleanout and run it up, and that cleans it out. So I brought in a guy with a camera, and he ran it down from the inside cleanout, and basically found the pipe was bad. It was rough and corroded on the inside. I mean, this is a cast iron, a 4-inch cast iron pipe. It was rough and corroded on the inside, plus it had standing water. Now, keep in mind, there are certain things that are reported to run downhill. In this particular sewer, that was not the case. It would run into approximately 2 inches of standing water. So we looked at alternatives. We looked at lining the pipe. They had something called a knocker that would clean out the corrosion inside the pipe, but he said, usually causes the pipe to leak, and it was more expensive than digging up the pipe. So, okay. First step, I had laminate flooring. It's at the downstairs toilet. Brought in a flooring guy to take up the laminate flooring. So then I'm getting ready for the plumber. So we'll go on with the story with some pictures. I had laminate flooring in the family room. First thing, we had the guy take out the laminate flooring. It was especially bad in the bathroom with all the sewer clogs and one thing or another. Laminate flooring was definitely not working out. It was swelling because of water damage. So we pulled out the laminate flooring, and the next thing you know, people sit there and say, "Oh, gee, you got some sort of tile underneath this. You really need to remove that." So that was my next task. So I took basically like a real stiff putty knife, and you go down, you take a mallet, and you sit there and find a place where you can get under a piece of tile, take it up, and then start hitting the other ones and breaking them loose for the adhesive. We started first in the family room where the approximate location of the pipe was going to be, and then we worked in, and it turned out we just took out all of the tile in the bathroom. That laminate won't work in the bathroom downstairs. We went out and bought some ceramic tile with kind of a wood grain to it, and I brought that home to put into the downstairs bathroom. So the plumber showed up and with a jackhammer and a large hammer, and started doing some serious damage to the concrete in the family room. digging along the pipe. Basically, they used the camera to locate the pipe. They marked its path, and then they dug out the concrete above the pipe to expose the cast iron pipe. So they cut out the pipe and discovered that the bottom of the pipe was cracked for about 8 feet. Kind of the understanding is this was a defective piece of cast iron pipe that was put in with the house when it was built in 1960. Pipe is cracked. Here's the other one. Pipe is cracked on this side. And then the pipe is cracked on this side too. Okay, we've passed the flush test. They put in all the rock, substantially more than I thought. They found a pipe right up to the bathroom floor here. I mean, I thought they were going to break up the bathroom floor, but I guess not. Had to take up my laminate flooring, and later I have the flooring guys coming back. Right now they're going to get concrete and fill it back in. I gave it a flush test, and the pipe works and the kitchen sink works, everything works, so there we go. Here we go. It's all been mudded up. Well, we made some progress. I got the floor tile put in to the bathroom. Fella just needs to come back and grout tomorrow. So basically the floor is going back in. I'm just waiting for the laminate guys to come back and replace the laminate. Okay, we got the floor back in. This is all holding down stuff that were glued back in place. Got all the laminate flooring put back. It looks like a family room again. No question about it. Got to put that bookcase back. And the other thing is tomorrow this will be grouted. Basically the project is finished. Well, I hope you enjoyed our project here. We got our sewer fixed and we got the floors put back. It's been exciting as well as expensive. You know, I thought boats were expensive until I got the plumbing. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.